Who donated more, SRK or Salman Khan? In this situation of crisis going on in our nation, many well-known personalities of our nation have come forward. Many Bollywood celebrities have done their duty as responsible citizens by providing financial help. Bollywood biggies like Salman Khan and Shah Rukh Khan has come forward to help the citizens of India. Let us have a look at their donations and find out who has donated more. The Bhaijan of Bollywood has extended his hand to help the nation during this time of crisis. While most of the celebrities were donating to PM or CM's Relief Fund, Salman decided to help the daily wage workers of the industry. As the nation is shut down for 21 days, all the shootings are cancelled because of this. There are many daily wage workers working in the Indian cinema who are jobless now. Salman is one of the first Bollywood celebrities who has come forward to help the daily wage workers. The president of Federation of Western India Cine Employees, B.N. Tiwari, requested the actor to help the workers. Salman asked for a list of mostly affected 25,000 cine workers along with their bank details. The actor has taken the responsibility of those 25,000 daily wage workers of the industry. Salman Khan will directly transfer the money to their account to help them in this situation. Though the amount is not disclosed yet, it is true that he is donating a lot as he is taking care of 25,000 families. On the other hand, Shah Rukh Khan recently took his social media to announce about his donation. Shah Rukh is the richest Bollywood actor and he has extended his help for the citizen of this country. The King Khan of Bollywood is also a great businessman and owns many companies. With the help of his companies like Red Chillies Entertainment, Kolkata Knight Riders, Red Chillies VFX, Mir Foundation, SRK made donations. Shah Rukh Khan has donated an undisclosed amount to Prime Minister's Relief Fund. He has also made a contribution of undisclosed amount to Maharashtra CM's Relief Fund. The actor is also providing 50,000 PPE kits for the protection of healthcare providers of West Bengal and Maharashtra. SRK's Mir Foundation along with the Ek Saath Foundation will provide daily food to around 5,500 families daily for at least 1 month. He is going to set up a kitchen also that will prepare 2,000 freshly cooked meals every day to help households and hospitals whose daily needs are not getting fulfilled. The actor will also provide 3 lakhs meals for 10,000 people every day for at least 1 month. Shah Rukh Khan is also giving basic essential and grocery items to 2,500 daily wage workers for 1 month. The actor is also taking care of the daily necessities of 100 acid attack survivors from the states of Delhi, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Uttarakhand. Shah Rukh Khan has also given one of his offices to the government where the government can keep people for observation and treatment. We, the team of Smoky Evening, request all the people to stay safely at home. It's a humble request from our side to you to donate as much as you can for a greater good from us for us. Subscribe our channel for more updates.